Hello everyone. In here I'm going to demonstrate an unexpected behavior of Excel, Microsoft Excel in specific, and I also had the same experience using Google Sheets, so it's very important to notice and be careful about. In here I have a list of items, randomly being 1 or 2, after which I'm going to filter out 2. After selecting 2 rows, I will copy them and paste them somewhere else out of the selection and out of the filter. Pasting them will result 2 items. So this was the copying. Now I'm going to cut the same 2 items and I will paste them here, in which, actually it cuts everything in between and from the start to finish. That's ridiculous, and I don't know why is that. Why should copy be different than paste? That's something that destroyed a lot of my data, so I'm really angry about. Tell me what's your opinion on the comments and why is it behaving like this. I really appreciate it.